Hello, and welcome to another one of Miss Lima's excellent science videos. In this video, it follows on from the weathering video, and we look at erosion, transportation, and sedimentation in more detail. We'll first start off with transportation. The weathered rock is broken down further by the action of wind, rain, or ice. These small pieces of rock are then moved away by weather and gravity into rivers where they are transported to the sea. This process is called erosion. At the sea, the now tiny fragments of rock sink to form a sediment. So you can see on the side my diagram shows rock. It then goes through weathering, and that can be chemical, physical, or biological weathering. Those little fragments then become the erosion. Those little fragments then are transported, that's transportation, and then it leads to sedimentation, which we'll look at in the next slide. You will need to pause the video here and copy what you see on the screen, including the little flow chart on the side. Now let's look at the deposition of sedimentary rock. Small particles of rock formed by weathering are transported into the sea, where they are deposited or sink and form a sediment. At this stage, dead creatures may become trapped within the sediment, giving rise to fossils. Over millions of years, the pressure of the layers formed above and the effects of salts cement the sediment together to give sedimentary rocks like sandstone and mudstone. You can see the flow chart on the side. These little particles, that's the rock. It then follows on sedimentation. Up the top of our river, let's say, it's really fast flowing water. But those little particles sink down further, where they become very slow moving water. And then with pressure, it gets cemented together to form a rock. Now, sedimentary rocks will be looked at in detail in the next video. Meanwhile, you'll need to pause the video here and copy what you see on the screen, including the flowchart on the side. Until next time!